Friends, today topic is refraction of light. Refraction of light. Right. Plane surfaces. Plane surfaces. So here coming to the surface. So what is the surface is nothing but the upper boundary of object is called as surface. So surface is plane is nothing but either horizontal or vertical lines is called as plane. And here refraction of light. So in coming to the definition of the refraction of the light, so for refraction is required two medium. First understand this example. So this medium is called as radar and second one is denser. Radar and denser. So radar example 8 medium. Denser example glass and water. So now here, so take the water in the glass and the upper surface, so the separating one layer, the layer separating the layer is called as interface. This interface, the surface, the separate air and water. Now here water is act as denser. So take a vessel, fill with water. So up to fill with water here. So here upper surface is there. The surface, this one, the surface separate the air as well as the water. This upper layer. So now air is act as radar. So water is act as denser. So now one term, new terms, radar and denser. See my dear here, light. So what is the light? So the sensation of visible is called as light. So what is the speed of the light in the medium? The speed of the light in the medium is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. The speed of the light in the medium is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. And here, so what we want to do is, what is radar, what is denser. So in speed of light in the water, 2 into 2.25 into 10 power 8 meter per second square. Second, 2.25 to 10 power 8 meter per second. The speed of light in the glass, 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. The speed of the light in the different medium. See here the speed of the light is more in case of air, less in the water and less in the glass. So depend on the speed of the light, we decide the mediums. If the speed of the light is more, is called as radar. The speed of the light is less is called as denser. So denser, the speed of the light is less. The speed of the light in the medium is less is called as denser. Once I am repeating, note down everyone. The speed of the light is more in the medium is called as radar. Example for radar, air. The speed of the light in the medium is less is called as denser. Example for the denser, glass and water. So now take a scale and draw a perpendicular line to the interface and extend this perpendicular line. This is a perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. The perpendicular line to the interface, this perpendicular line is called as normal. So in this interface, point is there, no? O and O N and O N dash. O N is a normal, O N dash also normal. So what is normal? The perpendicular line to the interface is called as the normal. So let us now see here, my dear. This is one of the light ray. This light ray taking certain angle with normal. So now this angle is called as angle I. What is angle I here? Angle of incident. What is angle of incident? The angle between normal and incident ray. The angle between normal and incident ray is called as angle of incident. Now the light travel from this all above interface radar medium. Now light travel from radar medium to denser medium. When light travel from radar medium to denser medium, so what will happen? The rays will change their direction. Direction will change. See the direction. Actually, so the direction the straight line. Straight line. The rays will go like straight. But at interface, what happened here? The rays direction changed. The direction of the rays are changed. So yes or no? So now see here, when the light travel from one medium to another medium, its direction and speed will be changed. Thus, phenomenon is called as refraction. So during refraction, what will happen? During refraction, the speed of the light change and direction of the speed change. So two things happen during the refraction. So when light travels from one medium to another medium, the speed of the light and direction of the light change. This phenomena is called as refraction. So refraction involves in two. So radar and denser medium. The speed of the light is more in the radar. The speed of the light is less in the denser medium. So do you understand about refraction? About refraction. See my dear, see some principle here. So when light here travels from radar to denser medium, see here this refracted ray. This is called as refracted ray. The symbol is R. Refracted ray represented by R. Now the angle between normal and refracted ray is called as angle of refracted ray. So what is angle of refracted ray? The angle between normal and refracted ray is called as angle of refracted ray. Say here. So what do you observe here? When light travels from radar medium to denser medium, this refracted ray move towards the normal. So in second case, when the light rays travel from denser to radar, see here, whereas this is denser and radar, denser to radar, see light incident ray. Now denser to radar is away from normal. Incident, angle R. Now angle I is less than angle R. You can say that angle R is greater than angle I. In which case angle R is greater than angle I. So when light rays travel from denser medium to radar medium, denser నుండి radar కి travel అయితే light rays travel అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? Angle of refraction is more, angle I is less. This is the second condition. Say sir. If light rays are along the normal, this is the normal. See now, along the normal, light rays along the normal and deviate. When the light travel along the normal, such type of lights are undeviated. Okay, my dear. Okay. So next here, refractive index, relative refractive index. What are the units of the refractive index we see here? Refractive index. Refractive index. The symbol of refractive index is N. So what is the refractive index? N, the ratio of speed of light in vacuum and vacuum is denoted with C, and speed of light in medium. So medium V. Now, so N is equal to C by V. N is equal to C by V. See here, speed of light in the vacuum and speed of the light in the medium. See, we find out what is the refractive index of yield. N value of yield. N is nothing but refractive index and N yield. So what is the C value here? The speed of the light in the vacuum is constant, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and speed of the light in the medium is nothing but 8 medium also, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So this value is substituted in the equation. So now N is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 by 3 into 10 power 8, both cancel numerator and denominator. Now N value is equal to 1. Now what is the refractive index of A? The refractive index of A is 1. And next one, find the refractive index of water. Water refractive index. So formula, what is the formula? So N is equal to speed of light in the vacuum by speed of light in the medium. So vacuum is a constant. So N is equal to the speed of light in the vacuum, 3 into 10 power 8, and speed of the light in the medium, 2.25 into 10 power 8. So 10 power 8 cancel, and 3 by 2.25 because N is equal to when we divide division will take place, so 1.33. So 1.33. So what is the refractive index of water here? 1.33. So 1.33. And next, see. So while review the video, note down everyone. And refractive index of glass. So formula C by V. So what is the speed of light in the vacuum? Constant value. So is equal to 3 into 10 power 8, and medium, wherever 2 into 10 power 8. So 10 power 8 cancel, and 3 by 2 is equal to N is equal to 1.5. See, refractive index of A 1, refractive index of water 1.33, refractive index of glass 1.5. So like this we want to find the refractive index. So but what is the use of this refractive index? So based on refractive index we decide that how the fast and low the speed of the light in the medium. If refractive index is more, the speed of light is less. See, in case of glass 1.5 more refractive index. Refractive index is more, the speed of light in the medium also less. Refractive index of A 1 in compared to water and air and glass, here the refractive index is less 1, and speed of light in the air is more, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay, this is the refractive index. And coming to the relative refractive index. So what is relative refractive index here? Relative refractive index here, see, relative refractive index. Symbol also n, 2, 1 here. So what is the relative refractive index, my dear? The speed of light in the first medium. Note down everyone. The ratio of speed of light in first medium, and speed of light in second medium. Simply we say that 1 to 2. 1 means first medium, 2 means second medium. N21 is equal to V1 by V2. So now what we want to do is in numerator and denominator and divide by C. So N21 is equal to V1 by C by V2 by C. Numerator and denominator. See my dear, you know very well. So N is equal to C by V. N is equal to C by V. Suppose reciprocal of this refractive index N, 1 by N is equal to V by C, no? Say so now, this is the one. So what you want to do is this value substitute here. Now here V1, 1 by N2 is equal to V2 by C. So this value substitute here. N21 is equal V1 by C. V1 by C value to be write down to 1 by N1 by V2 by C 1 by N2. So simply rearranging to N21 is equal to N2 by N1. See, coming to the second definition of the relative refractive index, the ratio of refractive index of second medium and refractive index of first medium. We are talking about refractive index, first medium and second medium. And coming to the speed of light in the first medium and speed of light in the second medium. So like this we want to find the relative refractive index. And next coming to the total internal reflection. So what is the total internal reflection and what is the critical angle and what are the uses of the total internal reflection here? See, total internal reflection. This total internal reflection is also called as TIR. Total internal reflection. So my dear, for this also is required interface and normal and radar medium and tensor medium. This is interface. See what you want to do is here see, this is a ray, incident ray. Now the incident ray travel from tensor medium to radar medium. First condition, if total internal reflection want to take place, the first condition is required. The light ray travel from tensor to radar. And second one, angle I is greater than critical angle. Angle I is greater than critical angle. And third one, refracted ray never enter into radar medium. Refracted ray never enter into radar medium. Okay, three conditions. The light travels from tensor to radar. The angle I is greater than critical angle, and refracted ray never enter into radar medium. First thing, so what is the critical angle you want to know here? See my dear, when light travels from denser to rarer, what will happen is away from the normal. This is the normal. So you know very well, when the rays travel from denser to rarer, the refracted ray is away from the normal. Maybe normal refracted ray is normal నుంచి దూరంగా వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటాయి. So this is the refracted ray. Second, incident ray. So now the incident ray, the angle of incident ray is increased. So now when the angle of incident is increased, the refracted ray along the interface. See now, when angle R is 90, when angle R is equal, now see angle R 90 degree, no? When angle R is equal to 90, then angle of incident is equal to critical angle. You can say that the angle of incident is called as critical angle. See, when light travels from denser to rarer, the critical angle is 90 and the angle of incident is called as critical angle. The angle of incident is called as critical angle. So in case of critical angle, what about the angle of refraction? 90, definitely 90 degree only. See now, so relation between here refractive index as well as critical angle here. So according to Snell's law, so n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. So n2 sin this side, n1 by n2 is equal sin R by sin I. I is nothing but angle of incident, R is nothing but refracted ray. So what about the R value here? The total is considered as n21 refractive index. Here refractive index of first medium and for second medium. So total is called as relative refractive index. And now sin R value here R value 90. Substitute sin 90 and sin I is equal to C, no? Sin C. Sin 90 value is equal to 1. Now refractive index is equal to 1 by sin C. 1 by sin C. Very important, my dear. So what is the relation between refractive index and the critical angle? N is equal to 1 by sin C. N is equal to 1 by sin C. It is called as the critical angle. Critical angle is the relationship. So we know very well now critical angle. The critical angle is equal to angle of incident. When the angle of incident is equal to critical angle, the refractive ray is 90. So now we coming to the total internal reflection. When the angle of incident is greater than critical angle. This is a critical angle now here. This critical angle C. When the critical angle C, angle of diffraction is 90. So now increase. Angle of incident is increased. Now angle I is greater than angle C. The refracted ray enter into the denser. Again, this refracted ray never enter into the rarer medium. See now. So coming to the definition of the total internal reflection. So what is the total internal reflection here, my dear? When the angle of incident is greater than critical angle, the refracted ray enter into the denser medium and never enter into the rarer medium. This type of reflection is called as total internal reflection. So, but what are the uses of the total internal reflection? So, due to total internal reflection only, mirage formation. So mirage, first one is mirage. So mirage is nothing but optical illusion. ఆప్టికల్ ఎల్యూజన్ అంటే ఒక ఊహాగానమైనది, ఊహాత్మకమైనది అంటే ఏంటి? సో ఇఫ్ యు గో దేర్ we can't find any water, so it look like a water. Optical illusion for finding the water. So water ఉన్నట్టుగా అది mirage ఉంటుంది. After we will discuss later mirage. So next one, brilliance of diamond. So what is brilliance of diamond? Diamond brilliance is nothing but shining of diamond. The total internal reflection is responsible for shining of the diamond. The total internal reflection will take place in the diamond. So because of diamond, critical angle is 24.4 total level. So low critical angle and high refractive index is 2.4. So due to total high refractive index and low critical angle, these two conditions only, the total internal reflection will take place and diamond will shine. And second, optical fiber. So optical fibers work based on the total internal reflection. So what is the optical fiber? The bunch of the fiber is called as light fiber. So actually the optical fiber is made up of glass and plastics. The bunch of the fibers is called as light fiber. Okay. So this optical fiber, in the optical fiber will take place the total internal reflection is used to the medical purpose. Doctor to examine the internal organs, how the organs will work. For example, intestine, stomach, kidneys, and baby for pregnancy women for examining the baby, how the organs are developed. So like this the optical fiber is used. So to look the internal object, how it work, no? The optical fiber is very thin. Optical fiber sent through the mouth and enter into the internal organs, and the organs are properly working or not. So and another optical fiber connected to the TV, they will display. So this is the optical fiber. And next one is for communication purpose. So one optical fiber carries the 2000 signals once only. So thousands of the signal carries at once. The optical nowadays, based on optical fiber, the message carry from one place to another place. So these are the uses of the optical fibers. So and this total internal, where did we observe the total internal reflection? So during summer, if you see outside something, the water is present on the road. Suppose your water collecting on the road, the water formation on the road. So the water is flowing on the road. So this everything is happened by the total internal reflection only. Okay.